Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University, in mechanical branch, and with CGPA 6.68. And today's date is 5 January 2022. And today's topic is garbage collection. When the garbage collection concept implement in Java, we find how to enable the particular type of garbage collection in our application. Brief introduction. When we introduce the garbage collection, the garbage collection from the name, it looks like garbage collection deals with finding the deleting the data from the memory. However, is garbage collection in a name real life. In simple words, GC works with the two simple steps we note as a mark and sweep. Advantages of garbage collection is no manual memory allocation, deallocation, handling because unused memory space is automatically handled by the CG. No overhead handling danger pointer. Automatic memory leak in management is the it is an advantage for the garbage collection. We can see the disadvantage. Since JVM has keep track on object reference, creating and detecting the new activity more than CPU power than original application, it may affected the performance of request which required large memory programs have no control over the scheduling of CPU time and it freezing the no needed use CG implementation. CG implementation is nothing but JVM has five types of garbage collection implementation. Series garbage in the serial garbage collection, parallel garbage collection, CMS garbage collection, G1 garbage collection, Z garbage collection. First one, serial garbage collection. It is the simplest garbage collection implementation. It is basically works with a single thread as result. The garbage collection implementation frees all application threads when it's run. Hence, it is not used in a multi-threading application like server environment. However, there was a excellent talk by Twitter engineers in Q 2012. It performance of serial garbage collection, which good way to understand the collection better. The serial garbage collection is the garbage collector of choice for application that do not have some small pause time requirement run on client style machine. Second one, the parallel garbage collection. In the parallel garbage collection, JVM sometimes called throughout collectors. Serial garbage collection, this is use multiple threads for the managing freeze the application threads while the performing garbage collection. If you use this garbage collection, we can specify maximum garbage collection threads and pause time throughput the footstep. The number of garbage collection thread can control with the command line option which is implement that parallel garbage collection thread is equal to angular brackets. We can specify a command line option in a maximum heap footprint, the amount of heap footprint, the amount of memory that a program requires while the running. It specify using the option xmx angular brackets n. CMS garbage collection. The long form of CMS concurrent mark sweep implementation use multiple garbage collector threads for the garbage collection. It designed for the application that prefers shorter garbage collection pause and that can be afford to share processor resource with the garbage collector while the application is running. Simply put, application using this type of garbage collection responds slower on the average but do not stop the responding performance garbage collection. G1 garbage collector is a garbage collector is designed for the application running on multi-process machine with large memory spaces. It's available since JDK 7 update 4 in later release, and it is most performance efficient unlike collector. The G1 collector partial the heap into the set equal size heap region, each a continuous range of virtual memory in that virtual memory. Sixth one, garbage collector is scalable low latency garbage collection which debuted in Java 11 as an experimental option for the Linux. JDK 14 introduced that the garbage collection. ZGC performance all expensive work concurrently without stopping the execution of the application threads for the more than 10 ms, which makes it suitable for the application that requires load literacy. It is used load barrier with cooler pointer perform concurrent operation when the threads are running, then the use keep track and heap usage. Reference colouring pointers is the core concept of ZGC. Is means ZGC use bits megabytes refer to mark state and object. It also handles the heaps from 8 MB to 16 MB. Further, times do not increase for the heaps. Similar G1 Z garbage collection partial the heap, except that heap region can have different size. To enable Z garbage collection, we have used in JDK version lower than 15. Thank you.